The last couple of vlogs, I've been talking about how to find others who can help you be successful. But here's the thing. It is down to you. No one is going to rescue you from the bubble of your own good ideas. Here I'm going to defer to the great marketer and explainer of how to make a difference, Seth Godin. He says, the ultimate privilege is to pick ourselves, to decide that the most important person to be chosen by is ourselves. If you pick yourself as the chooser, if you give yourself the power to say, go, I hope you'll respect how much power you have and not waste it. Disorganizers intuitively understand that it is their turn to stand for something, to make the bigger difference, to pick ourselves. Hey, thanks for watching. I will post each of the 99 episodes to the social channels listed here. I would love to hear your thoughts on these disorganizer topics. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow below. How can I help?